Alrighty, so for the advanced concepts presentation number 4, we are going to be talking about um, pretty much how acetyl-CoA is generated from pyruvate. So we'll focus on the cofactors, and we'll show how this process is reset at the end to allow for another pyruvate molecule to then bind and start the process all over. So from the very beginning, acetyl-CoA is the starting point for the citric acid cycle. So it is what fuels that citric acid cycle. And acetyl-CoA is produced from pyruvate through a multiple series of reactions. So it kind of goes through 3 steps during the reaction. It goes through the decarboxylation step, the oxidation step, and then the transfer of that acetyl-CoA. So the way this works is you start out with your pyruvate, and this is very dumbed down kind of, but pyruvate, you start out with pyruvate and just CoA and NAD plus, and then you end up getting through those 3 reactions, acetyl-CoA, and then CO2, which is given off, and then NADH. So essentially, it is comprised of several cofactors as well that help that out. So you have CoA and NAD plus, which are the cofactors in that reaction. So with that pyruvate, pretty much it goes in and it has the help of something called TPP, which it goes in and it is able to break the pyruvate up and it gives off that CO2. So that is one of the trade-offs from this reaction. And then with that, it goes through all the way to the end where you have your cofactors that work together along with multiple other complexes like dihydroxyl transferase, which is like E2. You have pyruvate dehydrogenase, which is like E1, which these all help pretty much get that pyruvate to that end product, which is acetyl-CoA. And then at the end, you then would have your acetyl-CoA to then move on and go into the citric acid cycle. So pretty much that's how it works. It starts out with that pyruvate, goes all the way through to acetyl-CoA, and then on that last step, that's where you will get where NAD plus becomes NADH, and then in the next cycle, it just continues on. I hope that kind of helped a little bit. I know it would be a little more helpful if they was able to look at the actual reaction, which I'm kind of looking at on my screen, so that way I can remember where I'm at. But pretty much it's a relatively simple 3-step kind of process, which you start out with that pyruvate and you end up with that acetyl-CoA with some trade-offs as well from the processes being broken down. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope that helped a little bit. And yeah.